Howdy, my name is Fernando Espinosa, and I am in Chem 119, Section 586. Today, I will go over simple gas laws, more specifically, the use of a balloon. A ruler, laws. Water, last but not least. Safety goggles. In this experiment, I will be applying heat and cooler temperatures to the balloon and seeing how it deflates and inflates according to its environment. Before we begin, let's define Charles' law. Charles' law essentially states that the volume of an ideal gas changes proportionally to the temperature of that gas, given that pressure and the amount of gas present are held at a constant state. The equation for Charles' law can be expressed as V1 divided by T1 equals V2 divided by T2. V representing volume, T representative of temperature. For the first step of this experiment, you're going to grab your balloon, grab your string, and you're going to find the widest part of the balloon. Then, wrap the string around it, and when it's around, you're going to want to start measuring. So, in this case, it's right there. Grab the string, grab your ruler, and measure how long that string is. Then, you can place your balloon in hot water. Watch the balloon inflate or deflate. Take another string, measure it one more time, and see whether there was an increase or decrease. Write this down on your lab notebook. The same procedure will be followed when your balloon is placed inside of a freezer. Now that I finished measuring my balloon, I'm going to record that, and I got 25.5 inches normal. So now, I'll be back once I place my balloon in water and take a measurement. Then, I will place my balloon in the freezer and take that measurement as well, and record my data, and I'll be able to present that to you. Give me a second.
The circumference of the balloon was 25.5 inches. When placed within the freezer, it decreased to 22.8 inches. Now, when placed in boiling water, it increased to 27.6 inches.
Now that that's done, we include a few things from our experiment. 1. When you add temperature and you heat up the balloon, we find that gas tends to expand, making the circumference of the balloon a bit bigger, demonstrating Charles' law right at work. Now, when cooling down our balloon, we saw the balloon deflate, decreasing the circumference of the balloon, demonstrating exactly how Charles' law works. This experiment was successful. Thank you, and Giga.